In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Binance. So if you have been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from Binance, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and mute them or stop them permanently. Now to do this, we need to access the app info page, and it is quite simple to do it. Now there are two ways you can achieve this. First, you need to go to settings, go ahead and tap on it, and then scroll down until you see the option called apps. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now under apps, go ahead and look for the option called manage apps or all apps and tap on it. And from here, scroll down until you see Binance. And as you can see, my Binance app is here. If I tap on it, now you can see I am on my info page. Alternatively, if this process is quite long, let me show you the shortcut. Now using the shortcut method, all you need to do is to go ahead and identify your app and then long press on it. And then from here, look for this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, you will again end up on the same page. From this, scroll down until you get to this section called notifications. Under notifications, you can see it is currently turned to yes, and that's why you are receiving a lot of notifications. So to stop this, tap on notifications, and then you can see we have quite a number of notifications that are already turned on. To turn them off altogether, just go ahead and toggle this off, and now our notifications have been turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive pop-up notifications from Binance. So that's how you stop pop-up notifications from Binance Android app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.